everybody. Welcome back to Northern Hillbilly Adventures. Today, we're going to talk about cross straps on ladder stands and how they are worth their weight in gold, and to make sure that you are properly using them the right way, and to show you two little tricks that I've learned over the years with them. Now, when I talk about cross straps, I'm talking about these right here. These straps, they connect to the top of your ladder stand, as you can see where Trey's at. By the way, this is my best friend, Trey. We've been best friends for 40 years. How many people can actually say something like that? But as you can see where his hand is at, you connect it there, and you have one on each side. And when you have the stand up in the tree, it literally crosses behind the tree, hence the name cross straps. Now, more and more you're finding ladder stands that actually come with these straps. However, I've been doing this a long time, and I found this little trick out, and I found it because I used to do a lot of stands by myself, and I recommend trying to get somebody like I've got my best friend here to help you out. But if you're doing it by yourself, these cross straps come in such handiness that they are absolutely worth their weight in gold. And if your stand does not come with one, you can just do what I do. I go to Walmart, and I think it's like $7 or $8, and it's braided poly rope. And this one is rated for 132 pounds. It's 100 feet, and it's only like $7 or $8. And you can just get them, and you can tie them on yourself, and you got perfect cross straps. And that's what I do a lot of times, because I never have a stand without a cross strap now, because it helps so much. Like I said, it's worth its weight in gold. And I'm going to show you a couple of tricks and exactly how they work, and what you can do with them if you didn't know already. And we'll show you real quick. So when you're first putting it up, you can have somebody at the front walking the stand up, and you can use the cross straps at the tree, the second person, to help pull it up. And that just, it evens the weight out of the ladder stand, because sometimes you're putting like two-man stands up or something like that, and they're just heavy as can be. And these cross straps, with one person pushing, one person pulling, it helps out tremendously. I'm going to show you that little trick right now. So you just get your cross straps, and you have your man at the front. You move the base of the stand towards the tree, and he's going to start pushing it up. Using the tree as the anchor, you're going to pull. And you see how easily that went up? And that went up extremely easily because of the use of the cross straps, with one man pushing and another man pulling. Now, when you got it up in the tree, hence the name cross straps, you literally are going to cross strap it behind the tree like an X. And once you do that, you're going to pull it over here to one of your steps and pull all of the slack out of it. Excuse me, I'm a little winded today. This is about our third or fourth stand we've done today. And in South Carolina, it's hot. It's real hot. But you put it underneath one of your steps, and you just pull as hard as you can, and you tie it around. And then basically you're just going to wrap it around a few times, and you're going to tie it. And when you do that, it really stabilizes the stand to the tree. When you also add the stabilizer bar and you ratchet strap the stabilizer bar, it adds even more. And if you're by yourself, the cross straps are going to hold the stand to the tree so well that it becomes much safer for one person by themselves to climb up the ladder stand to get to the top to put your ratchet straps on. Now, when it comes time to taking them down, you're just basically going to do the opposite. You're going to have one man in the front. You're going to uncross your straps. And as he's letting it down in the front and he's walking the stand down, you're going to be holding the stand with the cross straps. And what happens a lot of times is people just let the ladder stands drop, and then the gun rail will hit, and the gun rail will get bent. Excuse me, I'm sorry. And or the platform or the ladder or something will hit and something will get damaged. Well, with the cross straps, and it's somebody walking it down and somebody holding the cross straps, you can even out the weight and you can slowly allow that ladder stand to come down, stopping any damage and ensuring the future use of your stand. And I'm going to show you how you do that now. All right, go ahead. So as he's letting it down, I'm holding it, and I'm not letting it fall. I'm holding it good. And I'll get to a point where I got to get here. He'll hold on to it, and even this big tree, I can still hold on to it. I still got complete control of it. As he's bringing it down nice and soft, I'm holding it nice and soft, and absolutely no damage has been done to this stand, and now it's good to go for future uses. You ain't have to replace the gun rail and things like that. I recommend always having somebody with you when you're doing this, but if you have to do it by yourself, which I've had to do a lot of times, those cross straps are worth their weight in gold to help hold the tree, the stand to the tree, so you can climb it, and also help, like I showed you, pulling it up and allowing it down without any damage and with less effort than you normally would need. So I hope this helped you out, and I hope you learned something today. And until next time, God bless you. And remember, you always get out of it what you're willing to put in it.